Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today you will learn how to enter leave through our online system, Timefiler. All leave must be requested through Timefiler. Leave should be submitted as early as possible. To begin, log into the app. Select Leave. Click on Create. Select the start and end date of your leave. You can book Monday to Wednesday leave by choosing Monday and Wednesday. You don't need to book each day separately. The leave will automatically calculate your rostered hours for that day. Select the leave type that you want. You can add a comment for your supervisor to understand why you want leave. When you're ready, click Submit. Your leave is now submitted and awaiting approval. If you want to book a part day or multiple leave types for one day, the process is slightly different. For part day leave, click on Create. Select the leave type and date, then click on Part Day Details. You will be taken to a new page. Here, you will be able to add in your leave hours. Make sure that you tick Partial Day. You can also add a comment for your manager. Next, click Submit and then Close to be taken back to the Leave Home section. If you want more than one leave type for the day, this must be done on the Part Day screen by adding multiple leave types before submitting the leave request. When you go back into your timesheet, you should be able to see your saved leave. Sometimes this does not happen straight away. In order to refresh the system, go into your timesheet and try adding hours for the day where you have saved leave. This will create an error message asking you to delete the hours. In doing this, you should see the leave come through. This is one of Timefiler's little quirks that we need to work around and why we recommend that leave is requested in advance where possible. At the bottom of your timesheet, the total time worked shows the leave types that have been booked. For the remaining days, you can book your worked hours as per usual. We hope that you have found this video helpful. Please check out the other videos we have or get in touch with us if you are having any issues. Haere rā!